Take a ride in the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.